Magnesium is an essential mineral that our body needs to function properly. It is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production, muscle and nerve function, blood glucose regulation, and protein synthesis. Despite its importance, many people do not consume enough magnesium in their diets. In this video, we will discuss the different forms of magnesium available, why we need it in our diets, and how it works in the body. Firstly, let's discuss the different forms of magnesium available. Magnesium supplements come in various forms, including magnesium citrate, magnesium glycinate, magnesium oxide, magnesium aspartate, and magnesium chloride. Some forms of magnesium are better absorbed and utilized by the body than others. Magnesium glycinate is one of the most popular and effective forms of magnesium. It is highly absorbable, easy on the digestive system, and is less likely to cause diarrhea compared to other forms of magnesium. Magnesium citrate is also a highly absorbable form of magnesium and is commonly used to relieve constipation. Once consumed, it is broken down in the small intestine and absorbed into the bloodstream, where it is transported to various cells in the body. Once inside the cells, magnesium glycinate plays a vital role in many physiological processes. It helps regulate muscle and nerve function by controlling the movement of calcium in and out of cells. This is essential for proper muscle contraction and relaxation, as well as maintaining a healthy heart rhythm. Furthermore, magnesium glycinate is involved in the production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is the primary source of energy for the body's cells. It also plays a crucial role in protein synthesis, which is the process by which cells build new proteins necessary for growth and repair. Magnesium glycinate is also involved in bone health. It helps regulate calcium levels in the body and is essential for the formation and maintenance of healthy bones. Studies have shown that magnesium glycinate supplementation can increase bone mineral density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Additionally, magnesium glycinate helps regulate blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. It has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes in people with magnesium deficiency. Finally, magnesium glycinate has been shown to have calming and relaxing effects on the body. It helps reduce stress and anxiety levels by reducing cortisol levels and promoting relaxation. Magnesium oxide and magnesium aspartate are not as effective as magnesium glycinate or citrate. Magnesium oxide has a lower absorption rate and can cause digestive discomfort, while magnesium aspartate has not been shown to be more effective than other forms of magnesium. Once consumed, magnesium oxide is broken down in the stomach and absorbed into the bloodstream. However, it has a lower absorption rate compared to other forms of magnesium, which means that less magnesium is available for the body to use. Magnesium oxide is primarily used to relieve constipation. It works by drawing water into the intestines, which softens the stool and makes it easier to pass. It also helps relax the muscles in the intestinal wall, which further aids in bowel movements. In addition to its laxative effects, magnesium oxide also plays a role in bone health. It helps regulate calcium levels in the body and is essential for the formation and maintenance of healthy bones. However, due to its low absorption rate, magnesium oxide may not be as effective in promoting bone health compared to other forms of magnesium. Furthermore, magnesium oxide has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. It may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. However, it's worth noting that magnesium oxide can cause digestive discomfort, including diarrhea and stomach upset. This is due to its laxative effects and lower absorption rate, which can result in a higher concentration of magnesium in the intestines. Another form of magnesium that has gained popularity recently is magnesium threonate, also known as magnesium 3 or magnesium 8. It is a newer form of magnesium that has been shown to have high bioavailability and can cross the blood-brain barrier, making it beneficial for cognitive function. Once consumed, magnesium threonate is broken down in the small intestine and absorbed into the bloodstream. It is then transported to the brain, where it can improve the function of brain cells and support cognitive health. Magnesium threonate is involved in many physiological processes in the brain, including the regulation of synaptic plasticity, which is the ability of brain cells to change and adapt in response to new experiences. This is important for memory formation and learning. Furthermore, magnesium threonate has been shown to have neuroprotective effects. It may help protect the brain from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation, which are associated with various neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. In addition to its cognitive benefits, magnesium threonate also plays a role in bone health. It helps regulate calcium levels in the body and is essential for the formation and maintenance of healthy bones. It's worth noting that magnesium threonate may cause gastrointestinal side effects, including diarrhea and stomach upset. However, these side effects are generally mild and uncommon. Now, let's talk about why we need magnesium in our diets. Magnesium plays a vital role in many bodily functions and processes. It is needed for the proper functioning of enzymes that are involved in energy production and DNA synthesis. Magnesium also helps regulate muscle and nerve function by controlling the movement of calcium in and out of cells. Furthermore, magnesium is essential for bone health, as it helps regulate calcium levels in the body. Magnesium deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures. Magnesium also helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing the smooth muscles of blood vessels and reducing inflammation in the body. Despite its importance, studies show that many people do not consume enough magnesium in their diets. The recommended daily intake of magnesium is 320 mg for women and 420 mg for men. Magnesium-rich foods include nuts, seeds, whole grains, leafy greens, and legumes. However, if you are not getting enough magnesium from your diet, you may need to consider taking a magnesium supplement. Lastly, let's discuss how magnesium works in the body. Magnesium is involved in many physiological processes, including energy production, protein synthesis, and muscle and nerve function. It also plays a crucial role in the regulation of calcium levels in the body. Calcium and magnesium work together to regulate muscle contraction and relaxation. Magnesium also helps regulate the body's stress response by reducing cortisol levels and promoting relaxation. Low magnesium levels have been associated with increased stress and anxiety levels. Magnesium has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and may help reduce inflammation in the body. In conclusion, magnesium is an essential mineral that our body needs to function properly. There are various forms of magnesium available, with some being more effective than others. Magnesium glycinate and magnesium citrate are highly absorbable and effective forms of magnesium, while magnesium oxide and magnesium aspartate are not as effective. Magnesium is essential for energy production, muscle and nerve function, bone health, and blood pressure regulation. It also plays a crucial role in regulating the body's stress response and reducing inflammation. If you are not getting enough magnesium from your diet, you may need to consider taking a magnesium supplement. I have included some reliable resources in the reference section below. These resources provide evidence-based information on the benefits, sources, and recommended daily intake of magnesium. I encourage you to check them out if you want to learn more about this important mineral. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the importance of magnesium in our diets. If you did, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as a new video becomes available. We aim to post new videos every single day. Thank you for watching. We do appreciate you.